If you would like to see your Gmail ID password using your mobile device, here's how to do it. So we're going to be doing this using our Gmail app. So you want to locate your Gmail app and you open it. And at the top right corner, you're going to see the icon for your account, the account you're currently on, which is what you may be looking for the ID password in case you want to remember it. And you tap on it. And here you could tap on the Google account. So you have to select Google account. And when you select Google account, you have to scroll to security. And when you select security, you have to scroll to the bottom. Now at the bottom here, you now have the password manager. Now here in your password manager, all your passwords that are related to this account are saved here. And when you tap on it, it's going to show you all the passwords. You now have to scroll down to where you have Gmail and select the account which you're looking for the password. So this is how to find your Gmail ID password using your mobile device using the Gmail app.